everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nancy and I hope you all are doing well. So whatever products I'm going to review today, I had bought them for my own personal usage. Therefore this video is not at all sponsored by anyone. And secondly, I had used these products ranging from like 2 months to 6 months. So I'm pretty eligible to give you my completely honest opinion in this video. I had tried to cover every single possible details I can give you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first shelf is this metal shelf which is from the brand called Hokipo. This shelf you can use in your bathroom as well as your kitchen. तो यहाँ पर मैंने इसे कुछ bath related essentials organize करने के लिए use किया है. First I will show you the unboxing. So all the products I have bought in this video are from Amazon and all the product links are there in the description box. Packaging was just okay. On the top of this box you will get all the do's and don'ts along with the instructions. Inside the box you will get this metal shelf. Along with that you will get this sticker जिसे आपको वॉल पर स्टिक करना होता है और इसी के ऊपर हम ये जो शेल्फ है इसको माउंट करेंगे. तो अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि इसे माउंट कैसे करना है. तो सबसे पहले हमें जहाँ पर इसे स्टिक करना है उस स्पेस को हम डिसाइड कर लेंगे. जहाँ पर भी आप इसे स्टिक करने वाले हैं वो सरफेस कम्प्लीटली ड्राई एंड क्लीन होना चाहिए. तो स्टिकर को स्टिक करने के पहले यहाँ पर ये जो प्लास्टिक फिल्म है इसको रिमूव करना होता है एंड देन यू आर गुड टू गो. और स्टिक करने के बाद जस्ट प्रेस इट लिटिल लाइटली and then time to mount our shelf. After mounting this shelf, it is advisable कि आपका जो भी सामान है वो आप इसके ऊपर 1 hour के बाद ही रखें. Along with this shelf, मैंने यहाँ पर इसी ब्रांड के कुछ multiple soap stands भी purchase किए हैं. तो उनको भी आपको similar way में ही wall पर mount करना है. I had ordered multiple soap stands from the same brand Hokipo. Initially, I ordered only one soap stand. After using it for continuously for 6 months, I ordered rest of the shelves and stands. If you are thinking or going to buy these kind of products for the first time, then there are few points which you must take care of. The most preferable surface for these kind of organizer is our regular tile which we use in our bathroom and kitchen. But your tiles should be smooth and it should not have any kind of textures on them. If your tile has very minimal amount of texture or design and still you want to try, then I will suggest you instead of buying these kind of organizers in multiple quantity, use them for a couple of days or a month. If everything goes well, then you can go ahead and buy more. Now I will talk about steel quality of Hokipo organizers. Steel quality is decent but not top notch. I can easily take out this soap case and clean whenever needed, but what I wanted to show you here is little bit of rust on the top section and there is minor rust mark in the sticker also. In future if this rust increases then I might spray paint these, but if you don't want it to get into all that, I will suggest you to go with the plastic version. Next product I purchased are these mop and broom holders. So this particular organizer I have been using from last 6 months. तो हमारा ये जो छोटा सा यूटिलिटी एरिया है इस तरह के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स की वजह से बहुत ही अच्छे से वेल मेंटेन्ड और हमेशा नीट एंड क्लीन रहता है. So this one is also from the brand Hokipo. This will also stick to the surface in the same way I have shown previously. So these I'm going to stick on this metal gate which is there to hide all the plumbing. इस तरह के होल्डर्स में कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि मॉप तो इजीली फिट हो जाता है पर जो ब्रूम है, झाड़ू है वो इसमें फिट ही नहीं होती है. Because initially I thought to buy this Command broom gripper, but when I checked this in a local store तब मुझे लगा कि इसमें ब्रूम इजीली फिट नहीं हो पाएगी. So therefore I switched to Hokipo mop and broom holder and it is very easily able to hold both of them. I recently came to know that Hokipo has started giving 12 months of adhesive warranty. So if the sticker falls off within 12 months of your order date, then you can get a new sticker. And also I have settled this dustpan using this command hook. So next product I have bought for my kitchen, basically to organize my kitchen sink area. All the products I am showing in this video, I will link them down in the description box for your help so you can check them out. Here I have marked on the tile before sticking these stickers to get the proper alignment. So this is the final look. In order to increase the usability of this organizer, I have hanged here these two hooks. These hooks are from some other organizer which I don't use anymore. You can also use these kind of S hooks to hang anything. Among all the products I have shown you, this is personally my favorite because it has solved a lot of problems and made my sink area look very neat and tidy. After a month of usage, I found कि इसमें कहीं कहीं पर हल्का हल्का रस्ट लगने लग गया है. यदि ज्यादा रस्ट होगा then I will spray paint this as well. I had also used these command hooks at multiple places in my house, so I thought to share my positive as well as negative experience with you. I used these hooks to hang my whiteboard which I had reviewed long time back, but the strips we had used behind the hooks can hold 2 kgs, but unfortunately these command hooks didn't work well for my whiteboard and the paint has also came out. But fortunately the same command hook with 2 kg mounting strip worked really well to hang our wall clock. This wall clock I had already shown in my home center haul. Video link is in the I button, you can check that out. So this is it for this video. Most of the details I had already covered, but there are few points which I wanted to discuss with you. If you are a little skeptical about these products, then I will again repeat that you just buy like one product and then use it for a month, then only you go forward and purchase more. I find these products little costly, so as always I will suggest you to buy these during sales and offers. There is one more information which I wanted to share with you is related to command hooks. So what I observed that is command hooks works great when we are mounting something which is half of the weight mentioned on the mounting strip. Example, if you wanted to mount something which is weighing like 1 kg, then you should use the mounting strip which supports 2 kg. So this formula actually worked pretty well with me till now. Actually these products are like very helpful specifically during corona times because you don't wanted to call anyone from outside to drill in your walls. So till now I'm pretty happy with all the products I had used. This is it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to check the description box. I have mentioned all the useful links, all the products links, everything related to this channel in the description box. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get all the future notifications and updates. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.